In this practice, you will use the Layer Translator to translate layers in a drawing. Save the translation mappings, and then use them in another drawing. Open Model Home 2-A. Expand the layer control and note the layers in the drawing. In the Manage tab, CAD Standards panel, click Layer Translator. In the Layer Translator dialog box, the current layers are listed in the Translate From area. Click Load. In the Select Drawing File dialog box, change the files of the type to DWT and select AEC Imperial. Click Open. In the Layer Translator dialog box, click Map Same. All layers with the same names are listed in the Layer Translator Mappings area. In the Translate From area, select Balcony. In Translate To area, select Miscellaneous. Click Map. The layers are added to the Layer Translator Mappings area. Continue to map the following pairs: chairs to furniture, outlets to electrical, swings to doors, viewports to viewports. The only layer left in the Translate From area should be Kitchen. Leave this area so that it remains unchanged in the drawing. Click Save to save the mappings. Save them in the drawing file with the name Model Mappings in the Practice File folders. Click Translate to complete the command. Expand the layer control. Note that the layers that were mapped to other layers, such as chairs and outlets, are gone. Save and close the drawing. Open Model Home 3-A drawing from the Practice Files folder and note the layers. Layers such as chairs and outlets are present. Start Layer Translator and click Load. Load Model Mappings drawing. The mappings saved in the drawing are automatically restored. Click Translate to translate the layers in the drawing using the same mappings. Click Translate Only as you do not need to save the mappings information again. Click the layers in the layer control. The layers such as chairs and outlets have been mapped and do not display any longer. Save and close the drawing.